What's up, guys? This is Simon from Side Hustle Magic, our channel where we discuss different types of business ideas to help accelerate your side hustle into a six-figure dream job. Today, I am filming from Northern Europe up in Denmark. As you can see, we have some glorious summer weather. The rain has stopped, so I thought I'd do a quick video. And today is this very special video because I just discovered this amazing AI tool that I am so excited about. If you're in business, I'm sure you do a lot of spreadsheet analysis, number crunching, sales data analysis, profit loss, whatever. You use a lot of Excel. I love Excel. But this tool, I'm telling you, it's going to change my life. No more pivot tables, no more charts. All you do is use this tool and it'll just crunch all the things that you want in seconds. It's unbelievable. So stay tuned, check it out. Okay, let's dive in. So here I have a sample spreadsheet here. It's sales data. It has quantity, price, typical things, um, types of products, the customer, their customer information. So if we want to do something really simple, like let's say we wanted to see what are the top number of products that were sold and how many they were sold, right? That's pretty easy, right? So in Excel, you would just kind of do a pivot table, and you kind of click on the product in the rows, and then we select the quantity ordered, and then boom. So we have it, all the different products by the different quantities. Okay, so that's a pretty simple thing. All right, so let's jump into the AI tool. This tool is called Chat CSV. You just go to chatcsv.co. Once you go in there, you can log in, create a login if you want. It's absolutely free. So first thing you do is create a new chat, and you just attach your sample spreadsheet. Could be CSV or Excel spreadsheet. Doesn't matter about the format. Once you upload it, it's going to give you a quick rundown of the data. It just kind of gives you an idea of the different column names and everything, just to verify. This is always good to do, just to completely verify. You don't have to. You can hit stop generate if you want. But it's just a chat prompt, just like Chat GTP. Total number of product lines sold and quantity of each. Okay, it's really important that you use the same column names, of course. So boom, and there you go. So if you remember, this is exactly the same as what I have on the spreadsheet. Okay, let's try to check out seasonality. What products are the most popular products sold in certain months, for example? So I would do the same thing here, do a pivot table, and I would do a quantity ordered, and I would do the product name in the row, and then I would do a filter here. And then I would have to just do a filter for March and April. And there you have it. Okay, second example. So tell me the total number of product line sold in March and April. Okay. Okay, so you can see the same numbers are there. So that was pretty much on par with a human, but let's do something a little bit more difficult. Do different types of analyses that, are a little more complex. You could do this in Excel. I mean, this is something I could definitely do, but it would just take me a lot longer to do something. For example, here I'm doing a time analysis on first and second purchase. This is super useful if you're selling products and you want to know what are the most popular products that people buy, and then maybe you want to upsell them on their second purchase, how many days it takes. I mean, I could do this in Excel again, but like, how long would it take me to do it? Boom, this one says classic cars, 967, 607 times for vintage cars. And then in terms of the time, okay, it's kind of ran into an error, but it's going to keep trying. And boom, it says 7 hours, 0.31 days, or 7 hours, 27 minutes. And I got the exact answer. Super cool thing we can do is also do charts and graphs. I hate doing charts and graphs in Excel, and this thing kind of does it for you. We just tell, give me a chart of each country and the most popular product line purchases. Boom, there it is. And you can just export this. You can, copy it. You can also do an export if you want to do just a, data grab. Boom, that's it. So this shows you all the products that were sold to companies sold in the USA. You just click on this, download the CSV. It's super easy. So yeah, I hope you have I hope you check out this tool. It's super useful. I don't think I'm gonna be using Excel anymore. This is unbelievable. It saves so much time. And you just chat and have fun with it. Obviously with some AI tools, you do have to verify the data, but again, this is like you get the speed and the quickness of the analysis. You can add it, you can throw super complex things at it and get that information at your fingertips. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for viewing the show. I really appreciate it. This Side Hustle Magic has been brought to you by 858 Consulting. Please book a free 30-minute call with any of our founder specialists. Just go by going to 858consulting.com. Thanks so much and see you at the next video.